Hello and welcome to this vlog. I am doing something that I have never done before, but my friend Erica offered to do virtual shoots in quarantine. She's a photographer. She's in a couple of my photographs. I filmed me doing stuff with her before. And she's doing virtual photo shoots. And I thought it would be fun to do one. So I'm finishing getting ready right now. We're supposed to get together at 4:30. It's currently 4:07, so I have to rush. So I'm going to speed through or skip doing my hair real quick, and then I'm going to figure out where we're gonna shoot at because I don't know 1000% what room I'm gonna shoot in. So I wanted to start this vlog here so that I can introduce what I'm doing before things get chaotic. We're getting set up right now. We have my phone tripod, my camera tripod, because that's what's gonna be filming the vlogs. 2 box lights and a ring light. And I'm not sure what background she's gonna wanna use, but this is kind of the background I thought we could go with. Has this sign, and then we have this plain wall, if she wants to do a plain wall. I'm not sure what exactly we're gonna get into. Hi! I don't know if this is going to work. The setup that we kind of had, I just went with like a wall that kind of had some stuff on it, and then we can also do like the black or the dark gray wall.
Okay.
So I don't know how you've been doing this.
It's very weird. Just gotta figure out as we go.
You look beautiful. It might be too bright in here. I may have to adjust.
It might not be. Turn it back on for a minute so I can kind of tell you what to do.
Okay.
So I have like a little environment, like little setup. So you can keep it pretty simple. If you wanted to do like come closer a little bit.
Yeah, of course.
Yep. And then if you wanted to do maybe like you can kind of like play with your hair or like your hat, kind of like frame around, just do some stuff.
Okay, so the focus isn't necessarily on me, it's on the camera and everything around it, correct?
Well, I mean, you're in the phone, so like, but like there's things around you too.
Gotcha, okay, yeah.
You're just like a part of the, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
All right.
So I'm coming on here days later. I got some of the photos back and I wanted to talk to you guys about the pictures and my thoughts of this as a whole. I'm going to be throwing the pictures up on camera. She posted 4 of them, so that's what I'm going to be going over with you guys today. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the experience. It was a really fun thing. Most of the time we just talked and caught up because I haven't really actually talked to her in a long time, so it was nice to be able just to chat with my friend. We were on the FaceTime for probably about an hour, and we did this actually through Facebook Messenger, but I'm really happy with the pictures that she posted. I think my favorite is the one of me looking away. I don't know why that I really love photos of me looking away. The one of my full body, I love it, but I am struggling a lot with my self-confidence, and I've been trying to take more pictures of my full body. I think that I have a decent body, but I don't like that I have a tummy because I'm sitting all the time, and that's where I carry all my weight. So I've been trying to take more photos of myself. I got this camera tripod, like this phone tripod off Amazon, and then I upgraded my phone to the iPhone 11 Pro Max so I can have good pictures finally. So that's been helping me feel a little bit more confident. I also want to leave a link in the description box to a video that Sierra Schultze did of like kind of like her process of learning to love her body again after she had a miscarriage. I thought it was really insightful and it was really helpful, so I want to leave that below in case anyone else is struggling with loving their body. I personally think that doing these photo shoots and doing TikToks where I can see my full body has really made me love and appreciate my body a ton more. So I've been doing that to help me, and I think this photo shoot definitely helped as well. Let me know if you guys have ever done anything like this below and what your experience was. I would love to know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.